Good day, everyone! Today, I will discuss to you who is IMG or sino ba si IMG or International Marketing Group. Okay? My name is G. Isaal, the author of this book, Home at Last, How Migrant Workers Can Retire Rich and Worry-Free. By the way, you can grab a free copy of this book at my website at www.gisaal.net. IMG is like a school. Why? Because IMG educates people on how to build a solid financial foundation, educates people on personal finance. Actually, IMG have this global campaign for financial literacy. And hindi lang nag-educate si IMG. IMG will be your one-stop shop ng lahat ng iyong financial needs. Why? Because IMG have partnered with a wide array of financial institutions from healthcare. Kailangan mo ng healthcare? Meron si IMG. Kailangan mo ng life and non-life insurances? Available sa IMG. And of course, if you need investments in liquid or paper assets and real estates like condo, available kay IMG. So IMG really provides a solution because it has been one of the solutions to families and educating OFWs the importance of saving and educating the families that are left in the Philippines. So now, di ba ang sabi nga nila na kapag na-educate na tapos walang execution, so parang baliwala lang din. So now, IMG bridged the gap between your education, what you have learned. IMG bridge the gap by providing the vehicles for you to execute your plans to build your financial goals. Okay? So now, IMG works like this. If mag-enroll ka sa IMG because IMG is like a school, so magkakaroon ka ng ID or cards. Now, para siyang kung magkakaroon ka ng cards ng IMG, it will be like an SM Advantage card wherein kapag pupunta ka or papasok ka sa SM and you will buy something, then the cashier will ask you kung meron kang SM Advantage for you to earn points. Ganon din sa Mercury Drug. Kapag kasuki ka ng Mercury Drug and all the other companies who have been issuing membership or loyalty cards, diba? So IMG have this card as well na ang tawag ay IMG Preferred Card. So kapag ka meron kang cards, syempre may mga benefits ka. So ano yung mga benefits kapag ka nag-enroll ka sa IMG? By the way, this is the product partners of IMG. Diba na-mention ko na IMG is a one-stop shop of all your financial needs. So these are the affiliated companies with IMG para ma-execute mo ang iyong financial plans. So yung membership benefits ng IMG, sobrang dami na kailangan nating isa-isahin. Okay? So, kapag ka nag-enroll ka nga sa IMG, you will have the membership benefit card and of course, you will enjoy all these benefits. Ano-ano yung mga benefits na yon? Benefit number 1, lifetime access to financial education workshop. So, it really works like a school kasi you have to make sure na palagi kang nag-a-attend ng mga workshop and dun sa school, dun sa IMG, you will learn this. How to increase your cash flow, all these topics, diba? From debt management and how to build a strong financial foundation. You will learn all these topics doon sa workshop na binibigay ni IMG as one of your benefit. And benefit number 2, a lifetime free financial check-up. Of course, we have to make sure na alam natin yung financial status natin. And our financial status will vary from time to time. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Kasi now, if you are still single and then magkakaroon ka ng asawa, your financial status will be different, diba? So, you will have a benefit of having that financial check-up with IMG. And if you have so many assets na in this time, and you need to you need lawyers, you need all these legal advices, then you can have an access to estate preservation programs provided by IMG. And kapag meron kang bahay, kotse, or business na nagbabayad ka ng insurance for this, ang benefit number 4 is for you. Kasi may discounts ka sa lahat ng mga non-life insurances. So, mamimili ka na lang kung alin yung saan ka mag-a-apply ng insurance for your house or car. And you will have a discount siguro mga 2,000 to 3,000 a year. So, magandang discount na yon. And benefit number 5, kung kailangan mo naman ng investments sa real estates, kilala mo naman na siguro yung mga companies na to na SMDC, Vistaland, DMCI, Ayala Land. Kung kailangan mo or gusto mong bumili ng mga condo, then benefit number 5 will be a discounts from major real estate companies like all this I have mentioned. And of course, you will have an access to an affordable life insurance products provided by Philam Life. So that will be your benefit number 6. Benefit number 7, you will have an access to a short-term and long-term health care provided by Kaiser International. And benefit number 8, you will enjoy a zero-load fee on leading mutual funds. So, mga mutual funds like Philequity, Soldivo, Philam Asset Management, Atram, or Sun Life, you will enjoy the zero-load fee. And benefit number 9, business ownership program in the financial industry. This is what I like with IMG kasi hindi ka lang ma-educate, hindi ka lang pwedeng mag-execute ng iyong financial needs, but then you can be a business partner as well with IMG. So, ibig sabihin, if you will be a business partner, of course, you will earn as well. So, benefit number 10, the opportunity to travel the world for free. Na-enjoy ko itong opportunity na to last year sa aming Japan to Korea trip. And there are 3 new benefits under IMG. So, once na mag-enroll ka with IMG, meron ka ng automatic na 50,000 life insurance with free memorial concert service. Then, you will have a discount for ozone therapy. And, of course, magkakaroon ka ng personalized memorial services. Magkakaroon ka ng discount provided by Everest Memorial Services. So, these are all the benefits with IMG. So, IMG is like an oasis in the desert, diba? Because, na-mention ko that IMG is like a school. Kung hindi mo alam kung paano yung tamang pag-save and invest, you just go to IMG, you go to the school, and you will learn. You will learn the basic concepts, you will learn how to build your finances, and IMG is your vehicle because what you have learned, you will execute, and then vehicle because there are so many different kinds of affiliated companies in IMG that you can execute your financial plans. And of course, IMG is like your business now because if you want to help other people on how to save and invest, you just have to teach them, and then by that you are doing the IMG business, and of course if you're having a business, of course you will now earn. Now, that's all, and if you have any questions regarding IMG, you can email me at home@gisaal.net, or you can visit my website at gisaal.net and like my page and follow my Facebook page, Live Love Invest. Thank you very much and see you next time for another wonderful topic.